We're back at CVS today for the start of a brand new 2-week ad, and I'm really excited because this week is the epic hair event, I believe it's called, the big hair event. So we got a 10 off 40 hair care coupon that works across all different hair care, shampoo, conditioner, stylers, appliances, hair dye, all of that kind of stuff. So I'm going to go over at least 3 to 4 scenarios of how you can use your 10 off 40 coupon. Let me know in the comment section what scenario that you're going to do to use your 10 off 40 coupon. Every time this comes around, I really love it because we usually get a bunch of good hair care coupons. We get a bunch of good hair care extra care buck deals, and then we can stack them with that 10 off 40 coupon. So I'm definitely going to be picking up a bunch of hair care products for super cheap. In the past, it's made hair care like free or a moneymaker, but with the increased prices and the lower coupon values and lower extra care book values, now it feels like that we're happy to get hair care deals that are just like cheap or close to free, even with that 10 off 40 coupon. Even aside from the big hair event, we actually have a lot of other good extra care buck and coupon deals that we can do this week as well. So I'll be going over all of it. And of course, next week, it will be the second week of this same ad. We'll be getting a new 10 off 40 hair care coupon. So we can do another scenario on each of your accounts that you have next Sunday. So I will be doing an updated video next Sunday going over the different hair care scenarios that are going to be valid for next week, along with other new and repeat extra care buck deals with the new digital coupons that we get and new rebates and things like that. So with all that being said, let's get into the video. Okay, first I'm going to go over all of the different hair care deals that you can throw into a 10 off 40 scenario so that you can kind of combine them together for products that you use or that you want to create your own perfect scenario. The first deal that is working that wasn't supposed to be working per the ad are the Chi travel size heat protectant sprays. In the ad, it says that all of the professional hair care is buy 2 and you get back a $10 extra buck. It does say exclude travel size, but these Chi are working for it and attaching to the extra buck deal. So you can grab 2 at $6.99, totaling $13.98. You'd pay that, get back your $10 extra buck, making 2 of them $3.98. We also have the Garnier Fructis, that's 2 for $9 and buy 2 and you get back a $3 extra buck. And we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So you'd pay 6, get back your $3 extra buck, making 2 of them $3 or $1.50 each, or of course cheaper in the 10 off 40 hair care scenario. The exact same deal applies to the Garnier Whole Blends, the exact same 2 for $9 sale price, $3 extra buck, and we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. And it is a separate extra care buck promotion, so you're safe to do both deals in your transaction. Next, we have the Dove hair care deal that is only good for this week, not all the way through the 23rd because the coupon expires. You can grab 2 Dove shampoo or conditioner. At my store, they're $6.49. They may be cheaper at your store. At my store, a total $12.98, and we have that 4 off 2 digital coupon we can use. You'd pay $8.98 and earn back a $5 extra buck for buying 2 of them, making your final cost for both $3.98 or $1.99 each. L'Oreal Elvive is 2 for $11 and buy 2 and you get back a $3 extra buck. You can use a 3 off 2 digital coupon and you'd be left to pay $8. Getting back your $3 extra buck would make 2 of them $5 or $2.50 each. I'm really excited that we have a decent Pantene deal this week because the Pantene deals have kind of been few and far between. Pantene's going to be buy 2 and you get back a $4 extra buck, so you can grab 2 of them at $6.29, totaling $12.58. And we do have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, so you'd pay $9.58, earn back your $4 extra buck, and that would make your final cost for 2 of them just $5.58. OGX Hair Care is buy 1 get 1 40% off and buy 2 and you earn back a $2 extra buck. So you'd want to grab 2 of the cheapest ones at $8.29, totaling $13.26, and we have a 6 off 2 digital coupon. So you'd pay $7.26, earn back your $2 extra buck, making both of them $5.26. If you like Aussie hair care, you can do this deal instead of the Pantene. They are $6.79 each. You want to grab 2, totaling $13.58, and we do have a 2 off 2 digital coupon. So you pay $11.58, earn back your $4 extra buck, making 2 of them $7.58. Next, this is buy 2 and you get back an $8 extra buck, and it is working for the $7.29 hair masks. So you can grab 2 of them, totaling $14.58. You'd pay that, earn back the $8, and that'd make your final cost for 2 of them just $6.58 for both. Otherwise, if you want to grab the full-size Nexus products, they're also buy 2 and you get back an $8 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of them with my store's prices at $22.79. 2 would total $45.58. And we have a 9 off 2 digital coupon along with the 10 off 40 hair care coupon that you can use on 2 of these. So you'd end up paying $26.58. Getting back the $8 extra buck would make both of them $18.58. If your store's prices are cheaper, more like the online prices at $20.99, it would be a better deal. In case you want to try the Neutrogena Hair Restore, they are 20% off this week, and we do have a 6 off 2 digital coupon that works on the shampoo and conditioner, or a $6 off 1 digital coupon that works on the serum. Okay, now getting into the 10 off 40 scenarios, combining the different hair care deals together, I came up with a few different scenarios for you guys, and they all are with my store's prices. So for the Dove, it's that they are $6.49 each at my store. So these 4 different hair care deals, these 8 different products would total $41.98. The Garnier are both 2 for $9, the Dove are $6.49, and the Elvive are 2 for $11. So $41.98, you can use the 10 off 40 coupon, as well as a $3 digital coupon for the Garnier Fructis, $3 for the whole blends, and $4 for the Dove, and then $3 for the L'Oreal Elvive. And you'd be left to pay $18.98, and then you'd earn back a $3 extra buck for the Garnier Fructis, a $3 for the whole blends, a $5 for the Dove, and a $3 for the Elvive. So $14 in extra bucks back. And that would make your net cost for all 8 hair care products $4.98. Okay, and then another scenario is swapping out the Dove and the Elvive for the Pantene deal at $6.29 each, and then the OGX that are $8.29 and buy one get one 40% off. So these 8 items would total $43.84, with the 10 off 40 coming off, the $3 off 2 for the Garnier Fructis, the $3 for the whole blends, the $3 for the Pantene, and the $6 for the OGX. You'd be left to pay $18.84. You'd earn back $3 in extra bucks for the Fructis and for the whole blends, $4 in extra bucks for the Pantene, and $2 in extra bucks for the OGX deal, making your net cost for all 8 items in this transaction $6.84. And then in this last scenario, I did the Fructis, the whole blends, 2 of the Chi Heat Protectant travel size at $6.99, and then 2 of the Pantene at $6.29, totaling $44.56. With the 10 off 40 coupon, the 3 off 2s for the both Garnier deals, and the 3 off 2 for the Pantene, you'd be left to pay $25.56. You'd earn back $3 in extra bucks for each of the Garnier deals, $10 for the Chi, and then $4 for the Pantene, making your net cost $5.56. Another way that you can use your 10 off 40s on Conair hair appliances or any hair appliances, they're all spend 40 and you get back $15 in extra bucks. So at my store, with my store's pricing, this Conair straightening iron at $40.59 would be perfect. Using my 10 off 40 CRT, I would be left to pay for this $30.49. Getting back the $15 extra buck would make it a net cost of just $15.49. Wanted to give you guys a heads up to check out the clearance Dove Kids shampoo. They are ringing up on clearance. Make sure to scan them at the Redbox machine, and the 4 off 2 digital coupon for Dove hair care is attaching. We have such an awesome deal on soft soap and Irish Spring this week. The big hand soap refills, as well as the soft soap body wash and Irish Spring body wash, are on sale for $5.75 each, and they're spend 15 before coupons, and you earn back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab 3 of whichever ones you want. You can mix and match or grab all 3 of one if you want. I'm personally going to grab all 3 of the soft soap hand soap refills because it is the highest price item normally. So 3 of those would total $17.25 of whichever you choose. Using the $5 off 3 digital coupon, you pay $12.25. Get back the $5 in extra bucks, making all 3 products just $7.25. Nivea lotion is spend 20 and you earn back a $10 extra buck. So you can grab one of the skin firmings. At my store, they're $13.99, and then one of the small 8.4 ounce lotion at $6.79, totaling $20.78. And you can use a $3 digital coupon for the skin firming and a $2 for the regular Nivea lotion, and you pay $15.78. Get back your $10 extra buck, making both lotion just $5.78. We'll also have to keep our eye out for Ibotta rebates because they may appear. Aveeno facial care is spend 25 and you get back a $10 extra buck. So you can grab this big daily moisturizing cream at $16.99 and this daily moisturizing cleanser at $9.29, totaling $26.28. We have a $5 digital for the moisturizer and a $3 digital for the cleanser. So you'd be left to pay $18.28, earning back your $10 extra buck. Would make both products just $8.28. I don't know about you guys, but I am really missing those 5 off 20 Neutrogena and Aveeno skincare CRTs because that would make it such a better deal. Heads up on a potential G word I wanted to let you guys know about. The 4 off 2 Old Spice and Secret CRT that everyone got this week is apparently attaching to just one deodorant. So all you have to do is pick up one, and that $4 off 2 CRT is apparently coming off. I did not try it out today. Let me know if you try it and if it's still working and what time and date that you tried it out to let other people know. But I saw a lot of people posting about it that it is working. So at my store, The Secret are $5.79. You could use that $4 off 2 CRT on just one of them and you'd pay $1.79. Another way that you can use that 4 off 2 CRT would be grabbing one of the Old Spice Classic deodorants. I believe the G-Word deal with the 4 off 2 applying to one product would also work on the Old Spice, making it just 99 cents. I personally am going to grab 2 of them because I still think it's a pretty good deal, grabbing 2 of them with the buy one get one 50% off sale price. So 2 at $4.99 would total $7.48 using my 4 off 2 CRT. I'm going to end up paying just $3.48 for 2 of the Old Spice deodorants. Axe deodorant are buy two and you get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab two at my store. They're a little bit pricier at $6.99, so two would total $13.98. And we do have a 6 off 2 digital coupon, super high value digital coupon. So I'm going to be left to pay $7.98, earning back the $4 in extra bucks. Makes two of them just $3.98 or $1.99 each. If your store has cheaper prices than my store, it would be a better deal. And a heads up that Fetch does have a points back offer. I think mine's 1,500 points back when you spend 15. So definitely remember to always scan your Unilever items into Fetch, because usually Unilever items are partnered with Fetch, and you might be able to track some of your spend towards that bonus to eventually get your bonus points. Colgate toothpaste is on sale for $3.99 each this week, and they're buy two and you get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab two totaling $7.98 and use a 3 off 2 digital coupon, leaving you to pay $4.98. After the $4 in extra bucks back, it would make your final cost for two of them just 98 cents or 49 cents each. I also want to give you a heads up that the TheraBreath toothpaste is buy one and you get back a $5 extra buck. So if that is worth it to do for you with your store's prices, definitely do it. And we did have a $3 Ibotta rebate last week. So I am hoping that that rebate reappears. If it does, this deal would definitely be worth doing, because at my store they're $8.59. So with the $5 extra buck and the $3 Ibotta rebate, it would make it just 59 cents, but my rebate did disappear. The Gillette Foamy Shave Cream are $3.79 and buy one get one 50% off, and buy two and you get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab two totaling $5.68. You'd pay that, get back your $4 extra buck, and that'd make your final cost for two of them just $1.68. We still have that $4 digital coupon for Coppertone if you did not already use it, and it is still working on the travel size items that are priced at $4.99. So I'm going to pick up one of these this week before my coupon expires, and it'll end up making it just 99 cents. The Neutrogena makeup is spend $12 and you get back a $7 extra buck. So you can grab the lip mask at $11.99 and use a $3 digital coupon. You'd pay $8.99, get back your $7 extra buck, making it just $1.99. That's a great deal if your store works with the 98% rule. Otherwise, you can grab two of the 21 count makeup remover wipes at $6.29, totaling $12.58. Use the $3 digital, you pay $9.58, earn back your $7 extra buck, and then make your final cost for 2 packs of Neutrogena makeup remover wipes just $2.58. Maybelline Cosmetics are buy two and you get back a $6 extra buck. So you can grab two of the baby lips at $4.99, totaling $9.98, and use a $4 CRT. You'd pay $5.98, earn back your $6 in extra bucks, making two of these completely free. Another way that you can do the deal is grabbing one of the lifter liners at $9.99. I've heard great things about these, and pair it with one of the baby lips at $4.99, totaling $14.98. That way you can use a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT along with a $4 CRT, and you pay $7.98, get back your $6 extra buck, making both items just $1.98 or 99 cents each. The Bactine products are again this week buy one and you get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab the Max spray at $8.59. You would pay that, get back your $5 extra buck, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $2.87 back. And you can submit to Fetch for 1,000 points back, which is about $1 back. So after extra buck, Ibotta, and Fetch would make your final cost a 28 cents moneymaker. I will have Ibotta linked in the description box down below. If you guys do not already have it, you definitely need it for couponing. You'll get a $5 bonus when you sign up with that link. And I'll also have a link to Fetch. Fetch is a great app for submitting your receipts for different deals, and you can honestly submit any receipt and you'll earn back bonus points that you can redeem for gift cards. I'll have Fetch linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment as well. Right now you get a $4 bonus if you are new and sign up with that link. Again this week, the Nature's Bounty vitamins are buy one get one free, so you can grab two of the calcium, magnesium, and zinc at $7.59 and use a 5 off 2 digital coupon that will come off even with the buy one get one free sale, making two of them just $2.59. Alka-Seltzer are buy one and you get back a $4 extra buck. The cheapest product at my store are the $5.99 Alka-Seltzer, so you'd pay that, get back your $4 extra buck, and that would make your final cost just $1.99. Okay, we have an awesome deal on Claritin for my Claritin users out there. Select Claritin are on sale for $19.99 and they're buy one and you get back a $3 extra buck. We do have a $5 digital coupon, so you'd pay $14.99, earn back your $3 extra buck, and then you could submit to Ibotta for a $5 rebate back, making your final cost just $6.99. The Suavitel are buy one get one 50% off and buy two and you get back a $3 extra buck. So you can grab two totaling $5.38. You'd pay that, and after getting back your $3 extra buck, it would make two of them just $2.38. The General Mills cereal are on sale for $2.49 each. You can grab two of them totaling $4.98 and use a $1 off 2 digital coupon, and you would pay $3.98, and then you could submit to Ibotta for $1 back on 2 boxes, making your final cost for two $2.98 or $1.49 each. Select gift cards are spend $50 and you earn back a $10 extra buck this week. These are all the ones that are included from the CVS ad. My store is not tagged yet, but this is a great promotion for picking up gift cards for birthdays or holidays or for yourself to earn back some free extra bucks. Okay, so I did 6 transactions today, and then 4 of those were rolling transactions, rolling my extra bucks from transaction to transaction. Of course, the first one that I did was the 10 off 40 scenario. So I ended up doing the Garnier Fructis, the Whole Blends, the OGX, and then the Pantene. My 4 digital coupons for those 4 deals came off, and then I used my 10 off 40, and I used $18 in extra bucks to pay. Out of pocket, it should have been, I believe, $18.84 between extra bucks and cash. And then I earned back a total of $12 in extra bucks from doing those 4 deals. So it was like a net cost of $6.84 for all 4 things. So a really good deal. And then I rolled those $12 in extra bucks into transaction 2. For this transaction, I used my $12 in extra bucks to grab 3 of the huge soft soap hand soap refills. I think that's the best deal, honestly, because they're the products that have the highest original price. I think the soft soap body wash are like $6 and some change, and the Irish Spring are $7 and some change, but these soft soap refills are like $8.49 normally. On sale for $5.75. Use the 5 off 3 digital coupon and rolled those $12 in extra bucks, paid 25 cents, and then earned back the $5 in extra bucks for spending 15. So what is that? 12 minus 5 is like a $7 net cost or something like that. But I thought that was a really good way to roll my extra bucks from transaction 1 into transaction 2 and still got that $5 in extra bucks back to roll into transaction 3. Honestly, $7 for 3 of those soft soap refills is a great deal. I'm so excited that they included those into the soft soap and Irish Spring scenario, or the deal for $5.75 and that extra buck deal. I hope they keep doing that. Then I rolled that $5 in extra bucks into the Colgate deal. So I grabbed 2 of those, used my 3 off 2 digital coupon, my $5 extra buck adjusted down by 2 cents, and then I earned back the $3 in extra bucks for buying 2 that I rolled into transaction 4. And finally, I grabbed the Nature's Bounty, the buy one get one free. The cheapest ones at my store were $7.59, so a little bit more expensive than the online price of $6.99. Your store may have them at $6.99. And then I did the 2 Old Spice deodorants, and I hadn't seen anybody post about that, so I was really happy that I realized that those were also BOGO 50% off and attaching to the 4 off 2 CRT. I believe, unsure if one of them would have attached to the 4 off 2 CRT. I didn't try it out myself, and I also didn't try out the secret deal, but let me know in the comment section if you try that out and if it does work. But I thought grabbing 2 of them was still a pretty good deal with the buy one get one 50% off sale price. And then of course the 5 off 2 Nature's Bounty came off, my 4 off 2 CRT for the deodorant. I paid with my $4 in extra bucks, and then my subtotal was $207. So in total, I guess this transaction had a net cost of $6.07. Really good deal. Okay, then after my rolling extra bucks scenario, I did want to do the Conair deal. So I grabbed the flat iron that was $40.49 at my store. I know that these prices are going to be different from store to store, so likely you're gonna have to buy products that are as close to $40 at your store. This one was perfect for me at my store. And then I used that 10 off 40 CRT. I paid with $10 in extra bucks. That's all I had on this account. And then I paid $19.14 plus tax, and then earned back my $15 in extra bucks. So that was a really good deal. It ended up making this like around 15, I think it was $15.49 it would have made it after the 10 off 40 and the $15 in extra bucks back. And I honestly wanted like a better quality straightening iron. And honestly, I've tried the cheese straightening irons that are like $100, and I feel like the nicer Conair ones are just as good. Really good deal. All right, and then finally, I grabbed 2 at the General Mills cereal because I was out and wanted to grab some more. And then the Copper Tone for $4.99. My 2 coupons came off, so I paid $4.97 and then submitted to Ibotta for $1 back, making my net cost just $3.97. Definitely let me know in the comments what you're doing for your 10 off 40 scenario, and if you're grabbing anything that I didn't include in this week's video. I'm curious to see what you guys need so that I know what to include in future deals videos. I will be posting another video for the second week of the ad next week, going over additional 10 off 40 scenarios that you can do with the coupons available next week, along with going over any deal updates and new deals. And I will catch you guys in next week's video.